Hi everyone, I hope that all y'all mamas out there are doing okay, that y'all are hanging in there through all of this craziness. I know that all of us are focusing on the exact same thing right now, keeping our kids safe, disinfecting our houses as much as we can, washing those little hands as much as we can. So I wanted to show y'all something that I've been using to disinfect my house, and I need to mix up another batch. So I'm going to show y'all how to mix up hand sanitizer. I'm sure that y'all seen this recipe out there already. It's all over Facebook, but I add a little extra something to it because it makes it even better. Also, I'm going to use that exact same thing to make my cleaning products an even better cleaning product and make it a disinfectant even when you can't find a disinfectant. So my little secret weapon is tea tree oil. I went and picked up a brand new bottle because I did not want to run out during all of this, and it came in a box like this right here, so just make sure it says 100% essential oil on it. So you're getting the real thing. If you've never used tea tree oil and you don't know the awesome things about it, well, let me tell you a little bit. This stuff right here is actually antiviral, antibacterial, and antimicrobial. So you can put this on mold and it'll kill it. This kills the actual viruses that are on our hands and surfaces as well, and it kills the bacteria. So adding this to your regular hand sanitizer or your regular cleaning products is just going to give it that extra boost to fight those germs even more. So in my little measuring cup, I have 91% isopropyl alcohol. It has to be the 91% because that is the one that is strong enough to actually kill bacteria and viruses. So I did not fill up the cup all the way because we only need 3/4 of a cup. So add that into your bowl first. So this right here is aloe vera. And you can find aloe vera with any of your like sunblock or anything like that. That's where I've been finding it. If you have an aloe vera plant, you can actually go in your backyard and just strip your aloe vera plant and use that. That is actually the best thing to use if you want to go completely all natural with this, is get yourself an aloe vera plant. So, and then we are going to take 1/4 of a teaspoon of our tea tree oil and put it into this. It's about 15 drops if you don't want to measure it out. Maybe a little more than 15 drops. I don't know. 1/4 of a teaspoon. So I'm just going to put my solution into this little travel bottle. This is what I had it into before, and I just cleaned it out really well in between uses. Hopefully you have a little funnel. It makes it a lot easier. So you can probably get about 2.5 bottles out of what I just made. 2.5 bottles about this size. And if you can see that oil floating around in there, that oil is actually the tea tree oil that we added. And so you need to shake this up every once in a while to redisperse that oil before you give it a use. Shake it up and then use it to make sure that you're getting the tea tree oil and all the other stuff that's in here as well. When you're ready to sanitize your hands, just pop it open, give a couple drops. And then you have a really, really quick, easy hand sanitizer that is not going to dry out your hands because it has the aloe vera in there. And it smells good. You kind of smell like pine saw because of the tea tree oil. So you smell like antiseptics. So maybe since you smell like antiseptic already, all those other people won't think that you're sick and they actually won't be afraid to stand beside you in the grocery line. The next thing I'm going to do before I get cleaning is actually add some of that tea tree oil to my cleaning solution that I'm going to be using today. When the epidemic struck our land, I was left with only 1 container of Clorox wipes, and that was not going to be enough to survive. So I braved the lands, and it took me 5 stores to find what little bitty bit of cleaning products I did find. And where I finally found it was Dollar Tree and Valero. So this right here is what I got from Dollar Tree. This is good old Spick and Span that is antibacterial. And then this was the only name brand type product, anything like Clorox, Mr. Clean, or Lysol related, in all of my town. In all the stores that I checked at, this was it. Like, that was name brand that said bacterial on the thing. So this right here I actually found at my good old local Valero, of all purses. So I'm really glad that I stopped in there, but I did pay a pretty penny for this for convenience wise. But my husband dumped the spick and span in the cleaning bottle first to start cleaning with, so that's fine. We'll use Mr. Clean next, but I'm just glad that I have 2 bottles of disinfecting and I found 1 bottle of just straight up bleach. So I think that we're going to be okay germ-wise. Hopefully my husband is making sure that he washes his hands as soon as he comes in from work, because he is the only one in the house that is leaving the house. Oh, yeah. So that's been fun. I'm sure y'all are dealing with the same thing. But anyways, I need to add that tea tree oil to my cleaning solution where we can get to cleaning this house. Because I had my nephews over yesterday, and not that I think that they have any germs to be concerned of or anything, but it's just time to disinfect the house again and get it really clean again. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. And no one else is going to do it, so we might as well get to it, right, mamas? I decided I'm not going to do a whole bunch of talking through this video like I usually do. Y'all can see what I'm doing. I'm going to go through this drawer and organize it, and then I'm just going to start wiping down everything with my cleaning solution that I added my tea tree oil to, and just start disinfecting everything. I wanted to do my bathroom and my kitchen first because those are the 2 main used rooms in my house. And those are the ones that have the most touch surfaces and the ones that need disinfecting the most often. But I'm just going to let the music play and just kind of... This song is called Faster Cars by Love and Caliber, and it is one of my all-time favorite songs by them. Enjoy it.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. I wanna drive a faster car. nothing can break me.
I wanna tell you that I think you're looking just fine. I wanna tell you that I want you by my side. The way you move your body, the way I feel inside, I wanna take you for a ride. Wanna be with you, do you want me to? Wanna be with you. You're the one that I want, you're the one that I need, you're the one that I want. We can make it tonight. You're the one that I want, you're the one that I need, you're the one that I want. We can make it tonight. I wanna say that you are the one I need. I wanna say that you are the one who's making me breathe. I hope that you can stay here, yeah, you can stay the night. I hope that you can stay with me. Wanna be with you, do you want me to? Wanna be with you. You're the one that I want, you're the one that I need, you're the one that I want. We can make it tonight. You're the one that I want, you're the one that I need, you're the one that I want. We can make it tonight.
You're the one that I need, baby. Ooh, keep coming back to me.
Okay, 'cause there's nothing that can stand in our way. If you'd stay here, it'd be more than okay. 'Cause there's nothing that can stand in our way. You're the one that I want, you're the one that I need, you're the one that I want. We can make it tonight. You're the one that I want, you're the one that I need, you're the one that I want. We can make it tonight. You're the one that I need, you're the one that I want. We can
No matter what storm we are going through, we are gonna keep on dancing, mamas. Let's stay strong out there.
You, if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby. Dance, dance, dance. Oh, dance, baby. Dance, dance, dance. Dance,
I didn't push play before I started sweeping and mopping, but there it is, my clean floor, all sparkly and clean. I've never used spick and span on this many surfaces. I have to say it does a pretty dang good job. I kind of went crazy just kind of wiping everything. It kind of turned into a, I don't know, almost spring cleaning, because I kind of want to go wipe down some more walls now. But it just looks really white and clean in here, and it smells really good. It smells like the tea tree oil and the spick and span. It just smells clean. But I think that's all that I'm going to give y'all today. But I hope that y'all give that hand sanitizer a try. Definitely get you some tea tree oil to add into your cleaning products, your hand sanitizer to make it even better, your hand soap to make it even better, all kinds of stuff. Look up the benefits of tea tree oil. There's all kinds of things. And I am sending good vibes and prayers out to everyone out there suffering through this coronavirus stuff. I hope that it passes over soon. But until the next one, guys, I will see you later. Bye.